Hello! In today's video, we are going to be learning about different things inside my apartment. Yeah, you are right. I'm going to give you an apartment tour. Wait, let's make it more colorful. Yeah, more colorful, right? So, an apartment tour, like a sofa, pillows in different color, blanket, just different things like this. We are going to learn words in a natural, slow-speaking pace, so hopefully we could learn something together and take something away. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Comment what words or what environment you want me to film in next video. Let's get started. Alright, first thing first, I'm in my bedroom. This is my bedroom. Look at this. Yeah, this red and white one. This is my carpet. Yeah, it's a carpet. It's supposed to be on the floor, I know, but I like it so much that I put it here on the bay window instead. Sometimes I just sit here, do some meditation, and enjoy the sunlight or just relax. Or this part is my bay window, and right next to it is a window with curtains. And over here, this is my bed. I've got my quilt and pillow on it. Of course. And between the bed and the bay window, here, this is a small nightstand. This one, a small nightstand. Just enough space for my phone, a cup of water, and maybe a book. And about the drawers in the nightstand, the drawers here, well, you can guess what's inside. And then, that's my closet and drawers. Drawers here in the corner, where I keep my clothes and underwear and socks. It's something every bedroom needs, right? Keeps the space clean and everything in order. Alright, so this is the master bedroom, and it actually comes with its own bathroom. Here it is. Here is the sink area. I've got my toothbrush, toothpaste, mouthwash cap, and razor. It's a manual one. And of course, a few of my skincare products. Right above it, there is a big mirror cabinet. Super useful. You can check yourself from every angle, right? And it also gives me a lot of extra storage space. You can see a lot of extra space. About this is my hair dryer. Hair dryer. And over here, the toilet. Probably the most important thing in the room, right? And behind this curtain is my shower area. Well, I know, this curtain probably needs a good wash soon. Here is my towel hanging on the rack. And here is something you might not usually see in bathrooms outside of China. This one. A foot bath bucket. It's actually pretty common in Chinese homes. After a long day work or a workout, soaking your feet in warm water feels amazing. Trust me, it's one of those simple things that can really make your day. Then, right next to the master bedroom, there is another bathroom. Yeah, this one on my back. This is another bathroom. Well, I'm not going to show you this one in detail. The main difference is that this one is smaller. Yeah, you can see it's much smaller, and instead of a curtain, it uses a glass door for the shower area. Here, a glass door. Yeah, I know, the glass door probably needs a good cleaning too. Right beside the bathroom is my study room. Yeah, this one. If you have watched my channel for a while, for several videos, yeah, like this, you have definitely seen this room before, right? It's kind of my little creative corner. A quick look. This is my bookshelf with some books, plants, and a few toys on it. Yeah, here it is. And here is my desk with my computer and two screens. This is where I do most of my editing and work. And then here is my dining area. Here is my coffee machine and the water dispenser. This water dispenser. Definitely the two small appliances I use the most every day. Next to the table, there is a little shelf with all kinds of things. Bottles of wine, yeah, or here. Coffee beans, yeah, here, coffee beans, tea leaves, and yeah, vitamins. Well, I guess I've connected quite a lot already. I really need to stop buying more, at least for a while. As for the dining table itself, it's pretty simple, nothing special. But what I do want to show you is this light. Yeah, this one. Looks like a normal ceiling light, right? Well, check this out. Pretty cool, right? It's actually a fun light with just one click on the remote. Yeah, the remote. Especially in summer when you are eating and there is a cool breeze coming down. It just feels extra nice. Well, inside this glass door is my kitchen. Yeah, here is my kitchen where I cook my meals. I actually already made a full kitchen tour before. Yeah, this one in this video. So I'm not going to do another tour today for the kitchen. But if you are new here, you are super welcome to check out this video after you finish the current one. On both sides of the kitchen door, there is a full lens mirror on one side. Yeah, this one, full lens mirror. And my little cleaning hero, the robot vacuum and map. Yeah, this one on the other. Trust me, if you ever get the chance, get yourself one of these. Yeah, this one. Robot vacuum and map. You save so much time on cleaning. Totally lifesaver. So my friend, I have actually uploaded more than 20 vlogs so far. Yeah, 20. Some are about my daily life and routines. Some are about different topics like healthy, money, or even loneliness, right? And some where I take you around local places like a palace, an old street, or a mountain village. And of course, in every video, we have real-life English, the kind of words and phrases you can actually use. We can call it comprehensible input, right? But now I'm really curious. What do you want to see more of? Do you prefer casual vlogs where I just talk about life, or do you like more focused English lessons? Or maybe a mix of both? I'd really love to know what kind of content you enjoy the most. So please let me know in the comments below. Yeah, in the comments below. Okay, next up, this is my living room. When you walk in, the first thing you will see is this cabinet. Yeah, this one, cabinet. It's kind of my favorite corner because you can see it's full of travel souvenir. Yeah, this one is from Vietnam. Very cute face, right? And this is from Russia. This one is from Indonesia. And a few others from different trips. Very cute, right? Each one brings back a nice little memory. Then over here is my sofa and the coffee table. Look, on the table, I've got two candles that I really love. Yeah, these two candles. This one comes in a bamboo holder, and this one made from a coconut shell. Yeah, a coconut shell. I bought them during my travels. They smell amazing, and they look really unique, right? And right here, this is a TV, or you can say television, but honestly, everyone just say TV. Next to the TV here, there is a small round table. Yeah, this one, a small round table. I use it to keep my plants. Yeah, this one. A bit of green just makes everything feel fresher and calmer. And right here, a digital scale. Yeah, a digital scale. And my Wi-Fi router. This one is super necessary, right? So nothing fancy, but definitely essential for everyday life. So yeah, that's the living room. And outside the living room is a balcony area. Here is a balcony area. First, here is another little plant area with some bigger plants here. I also keep all the tools for planting. And look here. There is a pole on the ceiling for drying clothes. And over here, yeah, this one, a laundry basket and my washing machine with all the laundry detergent. Yeah, laundry detergent here. And this is a pillar in the middle of the balcony. Here is a pillar. That's a pretty normal and typical apartment here in China. Nothing fancy, just real daily life. So, what do you think? In today's apartment tour, we learned and reviewed lots of daily and useful English words. Do you like it? Yeah, do you like it? Was it helpful for you? Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for being here with me. I'm Ollie. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.